How to pay T-Mobile home internet bill. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to pay your T-Mobile home internet bill quickly and securely, whether you want to pay online, via the app, or automatically. If you've ever tried paying your T-Mobile home internet bill but got stuck, it's usually because the payment option is hidden, your account isn't set up properly, or the app or website is a bit confusing. You might notice delayed payments, declined transactions, or errors when trying to enter your card or bank details. Don't worry, I'll show you all the available methods step by step so you can pay your bill on time without hassle. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app or website. Start by opening the T-Mobile app on your phone or visiting my.tmobile.com on a browser. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with your home internet service. Step 2. Go to the Billing section. Tap or click Account, then select Billing and Payments. Here, you'll see your current balance, payment history, and upcoming due dates. Step 3. Choose a payment method. Tap Make a Payment. You can pay using a credit or debit card, checking account, ACH, or PayPal if linked. Make sure your payment method is valid and up to date to avoid declined payments. Step 4. Enter payment amount. Choose to pay the full balance, the minimum due, or a custom amount. Double-check the amount before proceeding to avoid mistakes. Step 5. Confirm and submit payment. Review your payment details and tap Submit or Pay Now. You should get a confirmation notification or email that your payment went through. If your payment fails, check your card, bank, or internet connection and try again. It usually works on the second attempt. Step 6. Set up autopay, optional. To never miss a payment, enable autopay in the billing section. Select your preferred payment method and the date for automatic monthly payments. Important notes. Payments usually process instantly, but it can take 1 to 2 business days in some cases. Make sure your account is active and your payment method has sufficient funds. Keep track of your confirmation emails or screenshots for reference. And that's it. Your T-Mobile home internet bill should now be paid, and you can even set up autopay for convenience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech and billing guides.